Which makeup brand is better, Morphe brushes or Too Faced Cosmetics? We're about to find out in a battle of the brands. This series, I compare two makeup brands that I think have a similar vibe, so today we'll be doing Morphe brushes on this side of the face and Too Faced on this side. Start with the Morphe side. This is the Meredith Duxbury X Morphe Foaming Primer, and I love it, you guys. It's so fun. For foundation on the Morphe side, we're gonna go in with the Filter Effects foundation. I feel like both of these brands cater to full coverage girlies, so this is gonna be an interesting battle. Foundation is looking stunning. Now for cream contour, we have Morphe's new Sudden Heat Contour Sticks, but you guys know I love the Too Faced bronzing sticks, so these are gonna be a real test. And with the Morphe contour stick, and right off the bat, I love the tone of this. I love that it's not too warm or cool. It's like the perfect shade. I do think I put a little bit too much, but it's blending out nicely. Alright, we are looking snatched. Now for cream blush on the Morphe side, we're gonna go in with their Cheek Thrills blush trios. You get 2 cream blushes and 1 powder. This is in the shade Blind Date. It's gorgeous. I already know and love these cream blushes. They are so pigmented, so blendable, and they give the cheeks such like a glowy finish. Concealer on the Morphe side, we're going in with the Wake Up Artist Under Eye Concealer. I don't know why I went in with so much. I was just having fun with it. This is in the shade Cream 1W. It's a little more yellow than I usually like, but she works good. How we're looking with all the Morphe creams laid down. Here's the side with no makeup. It looks beautiful so far, but we have a long way to go. To set our face, we're going with the Bacon Set Powder. This is in the translucent shade. I have used the pink shade before, but never the translucent one. It is super smooth and blurry. We're looking smooth and set. Now for bronzer, I actually don't own a bronzer from Morphe because they haven't come out with one in a long time, so I'm gonna use their pressed powder in a darker shade to bronze up my face. So this is their Soft Glow Set Powder, so it has like a glow in the powder, which I don't necessarily love for bronzer, but she looks kind of pretty. Powder blush, we're going back in with these blush trios. Like I mentioned, there is a powder blush on the bottom, so I'm just layering it on top of that cream blush, and it looks beautiful. For the eyeshadow on the Morphe side, Morphe has been killing it with their new launches and their rebrand lately. This is one of their new eyeshadow palettes they drop. It is called Rich Glitch. Let's see what I can come up with. In the middle of doing the eyeshadow on the Morphe side, and I just need you guys to see how gorgeous their shimmers are. They literally shine like no other. Highlighter on the Morphe side, we're gonna go in with the Morphe X Bretman Rock highlighter. You guys, this is literally like an iconic piece in the makeup community. Although it is very old and probably expired, it still works good because look at the glow it's giving to the nose. Liner, we're going in with the lip liner in the shade Honeymoon. Morphe makes some of my favorite lip liners. They are affordable, super long, and wooden, so you can sharpen them, and they're always precise. And over the top with the Drip Glass Gloss in the shade Drip Glass Gloss in the shade Polished Peach. That was literally a tongue twist. And of course, to set everything in place on the Morphe side, we're going to go in with the Continuous Setting Mist. This is an iconic staple to Morphe's line, and I love this setting spray. Here we have a full face of Morphe on this side, but now we need to go in and do a full face of Too Faced on this side and see which one wins. So run to part 2 on my page now.